Evening, everyone. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle is a Four Stars Sudoku. Four Stars Sudoku in additional of today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, almost weekend. Friday, April the 5th, 2024. And I've already solved one puzzle, the 3 Stars Sudoku. 3 puzzles remain: the binary puzzle, the jigsaw Sudoku, and you are interested in the 4 Stars Sudoku. 4 Stars Sudoku number. This will be number 8311. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for 4 Stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Alright, let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 ones. We have here 3 twos. We have here 3 threes. We have here 1 4, 3 fives, 2 sixes, 2 sevens, and 3 eights, and 3 nines. So it's divided. So I cannot start with one of the numbers. Let me check for missing numbers in the second column. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and the 7. We have a 3 and a 7 in this big square, so no 3 and a 7 in these 2 boxes. 3 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair in the second column. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. So 2 numbers left in the second column. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. Alright. So we need a 2 here. Okay, I need an 8 here. 5 in this column, 5 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left on 5 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 2 in the second row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 4 goes there. 2, 2. Okay. 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here. Or there, we have a 2 in the last column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. Alright, 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2, 2. Need a 2 here. And I need a 2 there. Cannot continue with the 2 now. How about the 6 in this column, 6 in the last column, so the column between. The only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 and 8, we have a 6 now in this third row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. Then 3, 3. 5, need a 5 here, need a 5 there. Interesting. Well, 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in this column, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. We have an 8 in the middle row, no 8 in those 3 boxes. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. Alright. And we have a pair, I believe. Yeah. 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, and the 5 in the same column. So no 8 and a 5 in these 2 boxes. We have also the 8 and a 5 in the third row. So no 8 and a 5 in those 2 boxes. So 2 boxes left for the 8 and the 5 goes in these 2 boxes as a pair. Alright, so need a 5 here. Okay. So 1, 2, need a 3, need a 4, need a 9. 3, 4, 9. Interesting. Okay. 9, 9, 9, 9. Need a 9 here. Alright, need a 8 there, need a 3 here. Need a 5 here. Well, yeah. Need a 9 here. Interesting. 6, 6, 2. 2, 2, 2, 2. 3, 3. Need a 3 there. Okay. I need to think now. Need a 6 here. Need a 7 there. 6 in this row, 6 in a row below. So last row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. Need a 6 there. Ah, we have a pair, I believe. Again. 3 and in this big square, we have 6 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and a 6. We have 3 and a 6 in this column, so no 3 and a 6 in these 3 boxes. And we have a 3 and a 6 in this row, so no 3 and a 6 in those 2 boxes. So 2 boxes left in this big square for the 3 and a 6 goes in these 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. So 2 numbers left in this column for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 1 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3. 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. So these 3 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 1, 2, 8. 1, 2, 8. Well, cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 5. The 1, need a 1 here. 1, need a 1, need a 1 here. Alright. Okay. Yeah. Let me think. 7 minutes already passed. Need a 3 here. 3 there. Need a 3 here. I'm thinking 8, 2, 1, 9. 9, need a 9 here, need a 9 there. That means this box should be a 9, yeah. 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 in those 3 boxes. So the 9 in this big square could be here, could be there. 9 in this column, 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column. So the column next down, only 2 places left for the 9. Could be here, could be there. Here we have a 9, here we have a 9. That means in the last row, the 9 should be there. Because here can be 9, we have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column, no 9 there. Here can be 9, we have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. Only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in the last row for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. That means we have a pair again. Let me see. Yeah. The 1 and the 3 in this row. The 1 in one of those 2 boxes and the 3 in the last row. So the row between, the only 2 places left for the 1 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. So now 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 7 and 4, 7 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes here. We have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. So this box can be 4 and more. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 9. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 9. We have a 9 in this row. So this box can be 9 and more. That box should be a 9. 1 box left in this row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 3 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2, 5, 8. We have a 2 and 8 here in this column, so here can be 2 and 8. 2 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, so 1 digit left. Should be the 5. Alright. 1, 2, 3. Those missing numbers in this column are the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5, 6 is missing, 4, 6, and the 7 is missing. 4, 6, 7, 4, 6, 7. Well, we have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. The only place left the 7 in this column should be there. So the 4 and the 6 are left. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Alright. Need a 4 there. We have a pair again, a 4 and a 9 in this row, the 4 and a 9 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 4 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So I've eliminated here the 8. So the 8 should be here. Alright. The 8 in this row, the 8 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 8 should be there. So the 1 and the 2 are left. Cannot fill this yet. 1 and the 2. Okay. 1 and a 4, 2 and 8. How about 1, 2, and need a 5 here. Well, 4, 9, 7, 4. Need a 7 here. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between only 3 places left. The 7 should be here. Or there. We have a 7 in this column. No 7. There's 7. Could be here. Could be there. I need a 4 here. One of the missing number in this big square is number 4. We have a 4 in the second row. No 4 there. So the 4 could be here. Could be there. 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the third row. 4 in the second row. So in the first row. The only 2 places left for the 4 could be here. Could be there. Okay. 6 in this column. 6 in that column. So the column between the middle column. The only 2 places left for the 6 could be here. Could be there. Then let me see. Need a 5 here. And I need a 2. Yeah, 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 2 and a 5. We have a 2 and a 5 in this row, so no 2 and a 5 in these 2 boxes. 2 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So I've eliminated here the 6, so the 6 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1. Alright, 1 and a 4, we have a 1 now in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes in there. Alright, mark those 2 boxes early with a 4. We have a 4 now in this column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. So here should be the 8 and a 5 then. As a pair. Well, I hate to split those numbers. Alright. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left, the 7 should be here. On there, we have 7 in the second row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 2, 5, and 8, 2, 5, and 8, well, okay. 1, how about 3? Need a 3 here. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3 in this big square. We have a 3 in the middle column, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3 in this big square. Should be there. 3, we have a pair. The 3 and the 4 in the first row. The 3 and the 4 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 3 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square. I believe 9. 1, 2, 3 and a 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. Okay, mark those 2 boxes early with a 9. We have a 9 in the second row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. So the 8 and the 5 are missing here as a pair. Okay, 8 and a 5. Let me think. 3 and a 6. We already have a 6 in this row, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Alright. 2, 8, 8, 2 and a 5. Well. Do we have all the 8s? No. 4 and a 9. We have a 9 now in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 4 goes there. 3 and a 4, we have a 4 now in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next on the last column. The only place level 3 should be there, and I've eliminated here the 7, so the 7 goes there. 7 and a 4, we have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 4 goes there. And 2 numbers left in this big square. 1 numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 and a 5, we have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 and a 8, we have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 and a 5, we have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 5 goes there. And the final 2 numbers, 8 and a 5, we have a 5 in the first row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Wow, we solved again, and I like this one, yes, I really do. You think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also myself. Thank you again for watching. And is this a really 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars. And I will see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.